Hi, this is Anand Prakash. I'm Chef in Theos Cafe and Lounge. Now, I'm going to make our special pasta, Penne Mushroom Peri-Peri. First, we take some olive oil. Then take little chopped fresh garlic. Then take fresh mushroom. Now we are sauteing mushroom. Now you can feel fresh aroma of sauteed garlic and mushroom. Now we are putting some fresh vegetable stock. Then we are putting peri-peri sauce. Basically, we grind red sauce, concasse sauce, and putting some peri-peri chili. This is fresh penne pasta. Now we are adding this in sauce. Now I'm adding some fresh cream for creamy flavor, creamy and spicy sweet flavor. Adding some cheese, Parmesan cheese. Now adding some white pepper and oregano. Now I'm adding some for distinctive flavor, basil flavor. Adding fresh stock for consistency. And finally we are adding some butter for enhancing the flavor. Now our pasta is ready to serve.